Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 BMW 4 Series. First of all, we have to make sure that Bluetooth is on your phone, and then we're looking out at the bottom here, but you've got communication there, COM button, or you can go to options, just get back to the menu. We'll made it rather awkward here. Get back to the menu, there you go, back to the menu. So, and then you've got communications, the second one. Click communications, scroll down to manage mobile devices, click on manage mobile devices, and you've got connect new device there. You see hands-free there. I'm not sure whether that was just a car going past, which is quite possible, but we'll click connect new device. And you've got telephone and Bluetooth audio and apps, but for the moment telephone. There we go, it's come up, BMW 20533. Please use your Bluetooth device to start a search for Bluetooth devices. The vehicle will identify itself as BMW 20533. So click on that. Click pair, click OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. I think you'll find, yeah, that's connected there to the phone. I'm just waiting for the phone to connect to the system, and there it is, it's showing Barry's iPhone 11.